Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as either an expanding flat wave C, which would take out these highs, or possibly a running flat wave C, which would most likely make a lower high. Either scenario, I think that we have a decent amount of upside potential. In either scenario, we should be able to recognize when it's over. Going down to the weekly time frame, I definitely am still calling this the end of a wave 2. I think that this, from that point on, is all subdivisions of a wave 3. So like a 1 of 3, 2 of wave 3, and we are now in a wave 3 of wave 3, I believe. Wave 3s are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, so I would definitely continue to be primarily very bullish. Going down to the daily time frame, we definitely have a pretty significant little pullback going on. So I would expect this to end up making some sort of a three-way pattern, probably some sort of an A, B, C correction, probably a correction to this whole move up before we end up continuing the uptrend. So keep that in mind. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely do have a breaker structure. It's kind of rejecting structure a little bit, but we definitely do have a breaker structure. And to me, this looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for a wave A. I think there's a pretty good chance that now we're going to make 3 waves to the upside, which is a correction to the wave A, probably up to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels for this wave B before it actually makes a bigger push down for the wave C. So keeping that all in mind also, let's take it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely did break structure. I mean, yeah, it definitely is kind of rejecting structure, but that kind of does happen. Probably more than likely, this first move up is a wave A. We're probably already in a wave B. And we're probably eventually going to make our way up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels for a wave C. I think this is all going to be an A, B, C, and B. I think this whole move down is a wave A. I would be looking for 3 waves up. I'd be looking for a Fibonacci bounce, impulsive engulfing move to the downside, preferably a break of structure, to help identify the end of this wave B and give us a nice entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. But if you do trade the shorter time phase, you definitely could try to go long at the end of this wave B to try to trade to the upside, the wave C. Look for a Fibonacci bounce, get out of your logs, and go short for the continuation of the bigger downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.